This is the empty. This is like not done yet, but it's so big. Tinky, go over there. Okay. See how big it is. Keep going. Okay. No, keep going. Okay. Oh, never mind. This is so big. Come back here. Come back here. Come stand here. I'm just giving you an empty house tour using a literally empty house. This is how big the kitchen is. I wish I could move like up here, but oh no. I wanted to show you the balcony. I don't want to open the door. My balcony doesn't look like that because like there's a wall. These people living down here, their walls are blocking our balcony, so I wish we had that because like the light. This is the hallway. It's big too. There's supposed to be a sink here. Ours has a sink. Then this is the bathroom. Oh no, you can't even see the size of it because it's not done, but it's like it has a big space. And then this is the toilet. Master bedroom. Also really big. It has 2 windows, so enough lighting. Yeah, I'm going to take out laundry. So my closet looks exactly like this, but it's dark. No, stop. But it's dark. Like it's black or, yeah, I think black. This is where you put your stuff. Wait a minute, why does this look bigger than ours? Like ours, I don't know. This one looks like it has more space. Ours looks like that, I don't know. I'll confirm. No, don't touch that, friends. The finishing of the closet is not like the best, but I think they're just the same. Okay, now to my daughter's room. You enter like that. There's a small window here for lighting, and then you walk in. There's another window over there, and then her closet. Wow, even this closet looks different. It looks a bit, no, let me stop. It looks bigger than ours too. No, it's okay. You can see there's a crocodile. No. Anyways. I kind of like this one because of the closet. They're bigger. Let's go. As you can see, they're still working on it. Give me that. You've been stubborn. I am going to the rooftop. Careful, Alani. I'm going to the rooftop too. You can see the other 2 bedrooms also not done. We only have 2 bedrooms. There's no 1 bedroom, but they're very big. And this is where my babies go. Oh, no. Some of them fell down. This is the rooftop. It's almost done. Yeah, go put it inside the... Put it in the bucket. They're still working. to finish it up. I'm looking at that. Is that? That's not a house. I don't know what it is. Can you see? Right there. Go put it in the basket. Laundry basket. So when they're done, they'll have like, I don't let my daughter come out here because like you see the pillars, but they don't have like um okay, put it in there. They're supposed to put like what are they called? Bars, iron bars. So the kids like don't, you know. So whenever someone comes up here with their kid, they like have to watch them. But a good thing is that we've never allowed her to go near the wall, so she doesn't have an idea that she can do that. She just goes around like taking out clothes, helping out. All these are just my baby's clothes, the baby's clothes. As you can see.